Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Dan and this is my JLU Rubicon. Today we're going to be talking about headlight aiming. If you've lifted your Jeep or you've put bigger tires on your Jeep, chances are the factory headlight settings are not going to work. And people are going to start flashing you like you're blinding them. So especially with the LEDs because they're so bright. If this is something you're interested in, please stick around and we'll go through that headlight aiming process real fast. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe so that you can be alerted to the next video. All right, let's get to it. So the primary setting that a lot of people use is have your vehicle on a flat and level surface, have it parked 25 feet away from whatever vertical surface you're going to be pointing your headlights to, and then measure up about 3 feet from the ground. So if you measure up 3 feet, make a mark, then you back up to 25 feet where the front bumper sits at the 25-foot mark. Your headlights should be right about where that 3-foot line is, and both of them should be about equal. So on the Jeep JL, you have two adjustment screws. The green screw right there aims the passenger side, and then on the driver's side it's a little bit harder to get to, but if you look down between the wiring harness you can just see it right there. So the best way to get to it is by using a long screwdriver. Now this happens to be just a standard flat head screwdriver. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver, and I'll just show you real quick. If you look down, a flathead screwdriver fits right in. You're going to turn clockwise to change the direction up, or counterclockwise to change the direction down. So for us, with the 3.5 inches or 2.5 inches of lift and the 35-inch tires, our headlights are just a little bit high, especially when we're loaded up. So you can see that our blue line is marked at that 3-foot level, and we are a couple inches high. So what we're going to try and do is bring that light down. You can see that they're both level and pretty much equal with that line. All right, guys, that was pretty simple. It took all of a few seconds just to do. You just got to know where you got to put the screwdriver in and make sure you turn clockwise to lower them, or counterclockwise to lower them. So hope that was informative. Something super easy, but it makes a big difference when you're driving, and for those of you who are driving, especially against traffic. So if you've lifted your vehicle or put bigger tires on it, check that specification. Remember, it's 25 feet away and 3 feet up, and get your headlights just down to the top of that 3-foot line and you'll be good to go. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.